This is a 2009 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine. Plus, having just come off lease, this Honda is in like-new condition. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.